Welcome, guys. Let's check Duolingo now. So, let's check how it looks like. Here you have the bubbles with the exercises you want to do. And if you've done everything, then they all will be happy. Just here on the bottom. Here you have it divided into the skills, but I will show you that you can also add more languages. Here is a great variety of languages if you're English speaker. So you have Irish, Danish, Swedish, Turkish, Esperanto, Polish, really a lot of languages you can choose, and it's growing. Probably there will be more. Also, when you don't speak English, you can still choose something. However, the variety will not be that rich. What is interesting here with Spanish, you have Guarani and Catalan, which is typically connected with Spanish speakers. But still, it's also rich for Portuguese speakers, for French speakers, German speakers. But now I'm switching the language that I'm learning. So here is Italian. I'm choosing a skill, and let's see together how it is. Okay, so I have visuals with the phrase written and the sound. So I know straight away how it sounds like in Italian. And I'm choosing from the proposals. See, I made a mistake, but I can go back to it. No worries. Him, I'm slightly better. It happens as well. But why I like Duolingo? Maybe because I started with it, but it helps you to start with languages for sure. Look at that. It has dictionary inside. So if you're not aware of some words, you can always click on it and you will see. So you go with sentences one by one and you're learning more and more words and repeating it and so on. It also works on language, on a learning curve and forgetting curve. So with time, if you do it systematically, the better it is for you. Definitely. Here you also have exercises that need you write what do you think, not only to choose from the given options, but need to create it. Yeah, it's difficult when you have such a fat fingers like mine, no? So again, you don't know, you can listen. You just click on the speaker and you have the pronunciation there. And also of the single words, which is great. Then we have our achievements, what I have done so far, my list of friends, so we can compete who has more points. If you don't like the bubbles and the exercises, there are still claps. With claps, you can work in more creative way. Yes, so exercises like use this word, clap chat. So using the language in real life situations. Here, for instance, I have a garden, un giardino, and then I need to create a sentence or describes what's going on there. It's really good for remembering things. You have the image of garden, and you write about flowers, watering flowers, soil, And for that, you also get points. So each effort is worth it, yes. Here is that you have a word and you need to use it in sentence. Classical thing. I think it also helps you to remember each word. As well, for each effort, you will get points. So you can measure your effort. Then this is more like a fancy thing. I can dress up my avatar, so it will keep me motivated to learn more languages. I get more lingos, and everything looks cooler and cooler. Then there used to be also like extra skills, and you can see what you have done in the past. So here, like a mini quests are like invite friends to Duolingo, have like a 1 week strike, or get more points than is your daily goal. So it really keeps you going, keeps you motivated that you are inside and learning languages with interesting tasks, and they're quite creative. Here you can see, based on really what is it about, you will getting stars. See, there is a short list. Please bear in mind that this is just an online and this is just an application, but you have much more on the web page. So I recommend you to go and see also the web page of Duolingo, where there are even more options and it's more visible. Also here, what is interesting, you can see your statistics, because here are the words based on your experience that you haven't used for a long time. There is a really extensive list of the words that you've used recently. So I don't know, when you haven't used a word ostrich, then the application will know it, and you can really exercise with the words that you have deep there in your memory. So I think this is great, and this shows how intelligent it is.